Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, just kind of playing around with a flower design using the blend tool. There's several ways you could make it. We're going to use a square. We're going to rotate it 45 degrees. We're going to go to object and convert it to a curve so they're all curves. And when I get out my node, I'm going to delete these bottom nodes and I get this. Now I can do a lot with this. You know, it doesn't have to be A plus symmetrical. I do like it more symmetrical, so we're going to leave it like that. I can actually squeeze it in and it'll be symmetrical. We don't need it quite so big. And then I'm going to mirror it because I just find it's a lot easier to draw this way. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And then while holding down the Shift key, I'm going to make it quite a bit smaller. I don't want it to go all the way to the bottom, but I'm going to hold down the Control button and make it go to about right there. I am going to fill that in with, let me tell you what, let's do a yellow box trick so you can see what's going on. Object, order, back a page. We're going to fill in this center one with white. And we're going to fill in this one with blue. I am going to select them both and I'm going to take away the outline. You really need to make sure the outline's gone on both of them for this to work. And then we're going to grab both of them and we'll go to effects and blend. I'm going to blend 200 times. And we get that effect. Now you could play around with it and make it totally different, but that's good enough. Now the one thing that's good about this type of deal is doesn't matter if the petals are overlapping. So we're going to go right here and put it on that node. We're going to go to Windows, open up the Docker transformation or transform. I'm going to rotate it 60 degrees 5 times. We actually need 6, but I've already got one. So now we have it. I would Control G to group this, Control D to make a duplicate. Now this is one case because it's a blend. It will not. You can't hold down the Shift key in this case. You can't much other than that. And then you can just Control D again and have that, or you can take that one and rotate it half the distance, which would be 30 degrees, and you get a totally different look. I actually think maybe that looks more like a flower, and then you could do anything you wanted to the center. And because it's a blend, it's kind of fuzzy, but it's a pretty cool effect. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.